Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Katomi Portable Bubble Machine here, with more than 4,500 bubbles per minute are possible. This is an automatic mini bubble maker. It's perfect as a guest gift for children, wedding, birthday and advent calendar too. It's a portability. The mini bubble machine is designed to be extremely portable, so it can be easily used in different environments. It is small and lightweight, so it can be easily transported from one place to another one. And we have high performance here. The machine can produce an impressive 4,500 plus per minute of bubbles. This is making an ideal choice for wedding, parties, and other special events where a large number of bubbles are desired. And it's easy to use. The bubble machine is very user-friendly. And it has simple controls that allows us to adjust the output and speed of the soap bubbles. It also comes with a clear instruction, because we have to insert the water and then, of course, the bubble liquid. That means a little bit soap, or you buy a bubble soap or mixture, a ready mixture. Of course, this will be the best for the bubbles, and with that you can reach 4,500 bubbles, or you make it by yourself. And then you dip it into it, not over the maximum range, and then it's making impressive bubbles. Oh yeah, this is really easy, user-friendly, and then we can adjust it easily. Oh yeah, we can set up and use it quickly and easily. And it's a durable construction. The bubble machine is made of high-quality materials that are designed for frequent use and should last for a long time. It also safely built in the back of the head, with a sturdy and solid base that prevents tipping over during use. And beautiful effects. The soap bubble produced by the machine are not only numerous, but also gorgeous, creating a magical and unforgettable atmosphere at our wedding, parties and other events. Whether as a background for photos or simply as a fun activity, the bubble machine will delight guests for all ages out there. This is the portable bubble machine, model PPJ01. We have a battery compartment. We can place there, of course, batteries into it to make it so nice mobile. But you can also use the DC in jack for it, and you use a power bank for it to power supply it, or you use an AC adapter, or you use an USB socket, or you can use your computer to make a power supply. Then we have a good handle to make it mobile. We have an on, off and speed switch with two settings. We have a bubble circle that will produce the bubbles and a liquid tank. This product is really cool because it makes so nice bubbles. We can use it where we like, by using a power bank or, of course, the batteries. To insert the batteries, we unscrew the screw on the battery compartment on the top of the unit and remove the compartment cover. We insert 6 pieces of Type-C batteries, which are not included, and we're paying attention to the correct polarity. And then we place the bubble machine on a solid flat surface and well-ventilated area. We pour the bubble liquid into the liquid reservoir. We always ensure that the liquid level immersed at least 1 watt. We do not fill the reservoir over the noted maximum level. If batteries have not been installed, we plug the bubble machine into a grounded electrical outlet. If the batteries are installed and the machine is also connected to an outlet, then the outlet power will be used, of course. We turn the on-off speed switch clockwise to the speed level number 1. And then we turn the switch again for speed level 2 if we need it. But I think speed number 1 is enough for everything. It is normal for the bubble machine to produce less bubbles when using battery, of course. The power then we plug in the power adapter is more stronger. We keep the air intake port free from blockage. That is on the back side of the device. We do not use outer and drain as it may lead to a short circuit. We do not leave unused liquid in the reservoir for an extended period. The liquid may thicken in the reservoir. We remove all liquid before storing or moving. If the bubble machine is to be mounted using a bracket, we should note that the machine should only be inclined to a maximum angle of 15 degrees, and the bubble machine should not be used for more than 8 hours consecutively. And it is best operated at 40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 90. These are 4 degrees Celsius up to 32. Performance of the machine may be reduced in low temperature areas. If we like to clean the machine, we empty all the bubble liquid from the machine. We rinse and drain the reservoir using a little distilled water. We add some warm distilled water to the maximum level. After adding water, we turn on the bubble machine and allows us to run in a well-ventilated area until all wands appear to be free of residue. We drain the remaining water to complete cleaning. Job's done. It is recommended to clean the bubble machine after every 40 hours of operation. We do not spin the fan using compressed air to avoid damage. We always remove the power adapter from the socket before refilling the liquid or cleaning the bubble machine, of course. The power input is from 110 up to 240 voltage, 50-60 Hz. That means you can use the machine over the entire world. The power output will be 5 volt, 1.5 ampere. The power consumption is maximum 9 watt. The batteries, if you like, 6 times C-cell batteries. The spray distance is from 3 up to 5 meters. The tank capacity is maximum 360 milliliter, and the materials which this device is made from is ABS and PP. It's a really cool thing, I think. The arm breadths are designed according to ergonomical principles and are suitable for gripping. It is easy to get outside with the machine. The body is thick, drop resistant, and suitable for playing. It is a good choice for outdoor. It spent a nice weekend with our kids, for example. The bubble machine is perfect for creating cheerful and lively atmosphere at, for example, swimming pools events. Or, of course, fully automatic bubble machine, intensive bubble production, create a warm wedding atmosphere. The bubbles are more colorful and adds even more colorful memories to our wedding, for example. And we pour bubble liquid into the liquid container. Concentrated bubble liquids is highly recommended. The higher the concentration of the bubble liquid, the more bubbles are generated and the bubbles become colorful, of course. So on the market there is a bubble liquid available, of course, or you can mix it by yourself, but it's not so good like the professional one. And the output of more than 4,500 bubbles per minute ensures a wide coverage area and turns any room into a bubble wonderland. This is ideal for indoor and outdoor events. The bubble machine can effortlessly handle different environments and group sizes. And triple power supply. That means the bubble machine is powered by 4 batteries. It can be used outdoor. It is portable and practical. We connect an AC adapter, which is not included, or a power bank onto it. And the bubble machine can also be used indoor, which is energy efficient and of course durable. And it makes a really good job because the Katomi Portable Bubble Machine with more than 4,500 bubbles per minute makes a beautiful automatic bubble maker. And so many bubbles for your party or what you like it for. Maybe next barbecue event it will be a bubble event too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a poll for feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.